Mitraya Namaha. Welcome to VSP 1080 channel. This is Inner Vision Talk Series number 3. Capricious castigators. Yes, they are dangerous people, my God. You never know the conspiracies, strategies, and the wild games of such characters hanging around. Yes, capricious castigators. You have the talent. You have the capability. You have several great ideas and dream projects with you. You have it in you. But still, you are unable to win. You are lagging behind. No opportunities, no recognition, no growth. You fail to blossom and touch your goals. Total disappointment and despair. Just beware of them. Capricious castigators. They are the dangerous people responsible for your failures. They don't belong to any other planet. They are not far away. They could be in your office, at home, amongst friends and relatives. They could be anywhere, all around you, in the idiot box or your smartphone. Yes, the capricious castigators. They are omnipresent and destructive. They stay incognito. They could be openly disguised. Fear them. You're always asking the question, why me? They are the clever escapists who continuously strive to convince others that they are great perfectionists and they do nothing. They just comment, criticize, mock and ridicule. They are dangerous people. They have a loud mouth and oblong faces. They create their own logics to hide their foolishness and failures. They make you believe that they are walking encyclopedias. They never say, I do not know. They prefer to say, I don't believe. Yes. Tell them that you are purchasing a car. They ask quick questions about the brand and tell you that it is a lousy car and it is a foolish choice. They advise you to go for their dream car, not yours. They say what they are trying to tell you, that you are unable to decide properly. They want to make decisions in your life. They are influencing their dreams and ideas upon you. Tell them that you are planning to go to States. They frighten you that it is a dangerous move. Tell them that you are starting a food business. They will mock at you. They will tell you that you will be on the roads because the food industry is in doldrums. They advise boldly about anything and everything. They keep on advising unasked. The eyebrow commentators, unasked advisors, they are dangerous people, capricious castigators. Pseudo-intellect is the quality of them who are total failures, but they do not accept it. They are like the dogs that sit upon the haystacks. Dog in the manger's policy, they say, not grazing the grass but barking at the hungry cows that come eagerly towards the manger. They are the bloody parasites, capricious castigators. If you are bubbling with great ambitions and big goals in life, you need to first eliminate these kind of people who have no other advice than to explain the faults and disasters involved in the game that you chose to play. They are very, very small Lilliput ideologists who live life just because they don't and can't even dare to die. They can easily demagnetize you and join you into their club of useless critics and worthless vagabonds. They can use a nasty language to insult you because your culture will not allow you to pick up an argument with such nasty tongues. Identify the capricious castigators who know nothing but discouraging and talking only negative. They can brainwash you and drain away your energy, your consciousness, your love form. Everything is lost because of them. Many great people who were gifted with excellent ideas and knowledge failed to their life in their lives because of such discouraging Siddhus. Some are even cursed to live under the stinking wings of such parasite creatures who happen to be their own family members. Miserable. Great leaders and motivators encourage you to hit the goals, though they humbly tell you how, where, and what to correct and rectify. Intelligence and talent can make you reach visible goals, but intellectual and creative minds crave to achieve such goals which others cannot even imagine and estimate. They are the real all-time great leaders. Trust me, do not mock at them who are striving hard to make the impossible possible. They might fail, but appreciate their efforts and pat upon their shoulders to motivate them. Do not join the dangerous breed of capricious castigators, bloody parasites, which are responsible for the failure tree to grow and the virus spreading all around. Negative talk, false images, wrong minds, and argumentative characters. These people know nothing but criticizing and criticizing. Yes, they are dangerous people. Capricious castigators, beware, don't ever fall into their auric fields. God bless you. Aditya Sakshi, Sampurna Raksha. Thank you for listening to this Inner Vision talk series, which is number 3. Welcome to VSP 1080 channel.